Want to know how to check notifications in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So we have also created a video on how to install Paladins and log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, you can just simply see various interfaces, and on the top right side, you should be seeing this bell icon right here. That should be right beside your friend's icon, so you can just simply select it. Now once you have stuck with that, here you should be seeing your notifications. So you can also sort your notifications by selecting this type right here. It towards occupation, achievement, social, quest, and much more if the notifications and what's really dense. So you can just simply see rewards as well, and you can just simply collect it, and that's it. You can just simply clear all to clear all notifications. And I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.